So for today's makeup tutorial, we're going to be doing one of my favorite things, the thing I start out every day with, right after I wake up, before I even have coffee. If I drank coffee, I don't drink coffee, it'd be redundant in my case. But if I did drink coffee, this would be what I would do while the coffee was brewing, and that is glitter. So, first thing, get glitter, preferably blue. Uh, if you can't make your own at home, store-bought is fine. Then just take a liberal amount. I'm talking like liberal, like far left. You know what I mean? Like all, like very liberal, like extremely liberal. And then just apply a lot to your face, all over the face. Wherever you want glitter, put glitter there. And you know what's great about glitter? Um, Even in the places you don't want it, as if there are any such places, it'll get there too. So you put it on somewhere, and it'll get everywhere else too. That's how beautiful glitter is. That's the beauty of glitter. Uh, for more makeup tips, smash that like and subscribe button. It is one button right now. It should be. It should just be one button. Anyway, that has been makeup tutorial with me, James Buckman. Thank you for your time and patronage. Mwah.